Healthy Hustlers! Welcome back to Healthy Hustle Journey, where we simplify life, one step at a time. Today, we're tackling a big one, the right way to work out. First things first, a proper warm-up is non-negotiable. It preps your muscles, increases blood flow, and reduces the risk of injury. Spend about 5 to 10 minutes on dynamic movements like arm circles, leg swings, or light jogging. Think of it as telling your body, hey, we're about to get moving. Form is everything. Whether you're squatting, lifting weights, or doing cardio, proper form ensures you're targeting the right muscles and avoiding injuries. Slow it down and focus on controlled, intentional movements. Quality over quantity, always. A balanced workout includes 3 key elements: strength training, cardio, and flexibility. Strength builds muscle, cardio boosts endurance, and flexibility improves range of motion. Aim for a mix throughout the week to keep your body challenged and your mind engaged. Remember, rest days are just as important as workout days. Your muscles need time to recover and grow stronger. And don't forget the essentials: hydrate, eat nutritious meals, and get enough sleep. Lastly, always listen to your body. It's okay to push yourself, but know the difference between discomfort and pain. If something doesn't feel right, stop and adjust. Your fitness journey is about progress, not perfection. And that's it. Working out the right way doesn't have to be complicated. Warm up, focus on form, mix up your routine, rest, and most importantly, listen to your body. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who might need some workout motivation.